Hi! I was doing some raking. But today what we're going to do is change out the cable on Chuck's Jeep. He's got the steel cable, this is the nylon cable. But with this, I believe we are going to need some help on this one.
Somebody say some help?
Hey, it's Stretch.
What's up, dude?
How you guys been?
Good, yeah?
Just got back from Montana a little bit ago and hanging around and want to see what you guys are up to.
Oh, just getting ready to do a little install.
Oh, what? Install on what?
On the Jeep.
On the Jeep? What do we got there?
2014 Jeep with a Smitty built winch.
Okay.
And we're going to change over that cable to
a nylon. What?
Yeah.
Wow, look at this.
Special.
Complete with new hook and everything?
Yeah.
Oh, that is too cool.
Yellow so you can see it.
Yeah. Well, you always got to see it. Man.
And there's Jeep. It's 2014 Jeep Unlimited. That's the one we put the lift kit on.
Does this thing have a light bar?
Oh yeah.
Not up top.
Yeah.
Yeah.
There we go. And now what you need is a tree stump. That's an old mesquite tree and roots are really deep, so we don't have to worry about it. We'll let the winch do most of the work.
There you go.
So first, Chuck, tell us what to do.
Put it in free spool.
Free spool? What the?
Come on, put your purse down.
All right. And this is why Stretch is here. He can stretch that sucker out, see?
You just
Ooh,
loosen it.
baby.
Hey, I'm 39 years old. I'm not a man. There he goes.
This thing.
Yeah. You need to retighten that. Boy, that's pretty long.
Keep going.
Back up the truck. What's the red mark for? Tell you you've come near to the end?
Yes. Need to do some tightening up action here.
Yeah, you need to undo that and then because it goes over here and it hooks. So we can do that first. These are 2 Allens. We'll undo the Allens, then we'll rehook that.
Yep.
Right now, you move it out of the way. Pull!
And right there.
Yeah, what is that?
Phillips.
Is that an Allen?
No, it's Phillips. Phillips head.
Oh, yeah.
Let's go get him.
That's that big one.
All right, we'll get right back with you.
Blech. All right, Steve, so tell us what we're going to do here.
Okay, once you've rolled it all the way out,
Okay.
you'll note the cable's kind of like way down there. And you can't get through this up here. You just easily roll it up.
To the top to access that position, that locking screw.
Yeah.
All right.
And yours didn't pop off because Chuck does do off-roading, stuff happens. And you have a Smitty belt. You take a 1/8 Allen and undo these and pop it up out of the way. Well, with Chuck's enough off-roading, it was already bounced out of the way. Good thing we are doing this day.
Yeah.
So it doesn't bounce anymore. So just easily undo this. Cable's undone.
All right. Cable.
Remove.
And gone.
Now, if you're wondering why the camera is all over the place, because Chuck's paying more attention to everything else and stretches here and it's entertaining. So you might have
He was
camera
helping.
views
He
that
said,
were...
I was
he said
helping.
you needed help, man.
Yeah.
Oh, and you can bring a
Oh, and I didn't bring. Well, here, look.
You always have a knife. What the?
I know I do, but look.
Yeah, I know. Just show it.
He's coming back with a knife. Oh, look at that. So make sure when you do this that you want to
Yeah.
rip the nylon with the grain. Cut away from you. Always towards your friend's face.
Away from you towards your friend.
Right.
Well, that's what the beard's for. It stops it. Doesn't make
Right.
it flow.
It cushions it.
Mm-hmm.
Pretty sure that's why the Vikings had it.
That's right.
All right.
Yeah.
So now we're going to take.
Set that on the ground. Did that come with the longer bolt?
No, it didn't.
Interesting.
Well, that was
Hold on.
really nice.
Mm-hmm.
You can see our problem.
Oh, that is thinner.
Yeah, it's a lot thinner, ain't it?
Yeah. Look.
Oh yeah, it doesn't even go through. Look at that.
Okay.
So
We're going to have to go to the bolt then. Yeah, in the future. Check
Make
see
sure.
what's yeah. Yeah.
Yeah.
Too bad the store. Too bad the store's not open. Because they'll match that up.
Yeah, but they'll probably have it in the bolt bin.
Let's go.
All right. To the
To the bolt
away.
bin?
see what I mean?
The Scooby-Doo. Nice dissolve.
Find it yet?
Find it yet?
Threads. So, over to the metric side. Yeah.
Nah, that looks too big. Way too big. It needs to be smaller. What's up top?
Using the metric. Ah,
Ooh.
look at that.
Closer?
Yeah, that's it. Probably use.
I wonder if it-
these.
You say we bottom out.
There you are. And these. Now I got to test run it. See if it's too long. If it's too long, I can shorten it right there.
Let's see real quick.
Yeah,
Nah,
needs
it's a
more
little-
than.
That's too coarse a thread. All right,
Yeah. Here we go. Oh, just drop it on the ground. Oh.
Tools usually do help.
Yeah, I'm using Jeep. No, we're using it right now. We're putting synthetic line on. You can take truck. Yes. Keys are inside on table. You'll be fine. She doesn't like driving the truck.
No.
Well, I told her we're doing a video, so she should have known.
Now you know why she wanted to use the Jeep. She's like, you guys are working on it. That's the way it always goes.
Pretty much.
My wife does the same thing.
She wanted to use the Jeep.
Good luck with that.
It's a little hard to use it when we're working on
Oh
it.
yeah.
Let's see if we'll thread in here.
Yeah, see
Okay.
if it. I've been recording.
Oh, okay. This is a 10 millimeter. The exact same thread pitch.
We hope.
I did not look. Tell you what size it was. Nab it.
All right.
Get your fat hands out of the way.
Your fat hands. You might need a washer on the backside, dude, because that's got quite the gap on
It'll always work.
it. Feels tight.
Hold on. Well, I used as a regular flat washer, and then little holdy-goody washers.
Lock washer.
Well, that's easy to say.
I don't know if you want to go super tight with it though, because it doesn't have to rotate
Oh, it was
to
tight.
the other side.
It was tight. No.
But what I'm saying though is like this needs to be over here because the drum's direction.
Okay.
You just pull it
How
this,
about you flip? Hold on. Let me give it a crack loosen. You got a good point there.
right?
Let's,
Give me some.
Flip
We
it
might
over.
have to, see, look, we're gonna have to take that off, bro.
Okay.
What?
But we need to put it on the other way, so when it spools, it'll actually spool properly. Because right now we've got it on backwards. So just make sure that your winch is proper,
Uh-huh.
then you can put it together. Make sure everything's right is what I'm saying.
Stay.
Because it's a bitch to have to take things off and do it twice.
Exactly.
Especially if you go to spool it and you're like,
Myrrh.
see,
What happened?
and you look at it and think what you're about to do, and then you notice it's hanging over this way. It'd probably be best to come under and around and up.
Well, we will. Well, here, watch.
Hold on. Hold
I was just going to say spin it instead of having to take the whole thing out again. It'll spin.
You think?
Yeah.
All right.
No, I thought it stopped because it's bigger than the other one.
No, I mean like spin the drum. You know what I'm saying? And then you can.
Well, where's your plug-in? Chuck.
Ah, all right. Keep my plug in right here. In hiding. Right here. Okay.
As you see, he's kept it so it's easily to unwind.
Goddamn rat's nest.
Yeah, you know, like Christmas lights. All right.
I've seen better
Does it
lines on a fishing
makes you
pole.
happy because it reminds you of Christmas. You know? Oh, you didn't.
He's got to put it in gear first, bro.
Yeah. Pull down on the
Go ahead.
cable on the outside.
Go ahead.
There we go.
All right.
Now, how tense should we have it?
Oh, you want your cable taut, but you don't want. With these nylon
Extreme.
cables, I don't
Yeah.
think you want them extremely taut because it will flatten the nylon out.
Yeah.
Oh, let's look it up. Where's the box?
Right there.
That's the helping hand we needed.
All right.
Doesn't really come with
No, it's
instructions.
here on the
multifunction.
Oh, it tells you all about it. No instructions.
No,
You don't need instructions.
no, it's just nylon
That's what
roll.
we're here for.
This is, you know what this is all over again? This is the tail lights on the bike.
Oh, that's right. They didn't
Which?
have.
By the way, we'll be bringing it back pretty soon. I'm excited to talk about that one, but not in this video. I'll keep you all in suspense.
So hold the line.
Hold the line, all right?
Oh, is that supposed to be like that?
That's never going to come out that far.
Oh, you got to throw this away. It's
Well,
ruined now.
It's only been sitting in this box for a year.
Put some. You want some gloves or something? Do we have like
No, you don't need.
monster-sized gloves?
You don't need gloves for this. What are you
Okay,
thinking?
ready?
So now look. You want to keep these like squished up against each other though. So back this out actually. It'd actually be cool if this cable was all the way Keep going.
Just lighten up and you can do it.
Oh, duh.
I'm just saying. Get ready.
We work with the handicap. It's fun.
So close.
Okay. Hold up. Now's when we need to stretch this out because it's going to start binding up on us.
Yep. Take it all the way out.
See if you can reach that tree. Yeah, new cable's a pain in the butt.
What? I see. They didn't charge you for that knot, right?
No,
No.
that knot was free. They were supposed to.
Keep you on your toes. Yeah, kind of untwist that
All right,
thing.
so when you roll it in now, you're going to have to guide it because I can only do so much from here.
Can you untwist a little? Yeah, you can see it's all twisted. That is, get a little untwisted here.
Might be hard to see on camera.
Yeah. I don't like that.
It's
Oh,
not
the
going to
little
come out.
phrase.
I wonder if
far.
they, that's a splice or...
Probably.
Are we ready? Gotta wait for you.
Ready, Freddie?
Just about.
It's untwisting.
You can actually make that part of the video if you want.
What?
Which part?
Like the untwisting bit right here.
Well, I've been
Well,
recording the whole time.
That's right.
This is one straight shot through, like live stream almost,
Yeah.
without people.
So when you're raveling these out, you want to make sure that you get all it untwisted and everything.
Yeah.
You don't want a whole bunch of, because it's just going to knot up.
It was just like when they were making stretch. They wanted to make them untwisted and it just didn't work.
Sorry for the wind noise if there is any.
Yeah, you
Small breeze.
little things.
Sort of staying on there.
There we go. Now it's untwisted.
That should be good, right?
Yeah.
All right, so guide it in and I'll walk with it.
Alrighty. Pull it off a little. There we go. It's kind of like one of them satisfying videos, you know?
What's up, buddy? Long time no see.
Got a little jump scare? Not.
Not all the way, bro. Back it out, son. So now you got to put this in.
Mm-hmm.
Right?
Yep.
You can't do that with that all the way in.
No. You watch it go tap 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 tap.
Pretty much.
Alright, so real easy. Just remove the cotter pin, remove the pin.
Remove the pin. And then
Remove the
easily
pin.
remove the pin.
Cause it's
Buggered.
I need more.
There.
put your big boy muscles into it.
Yeah.
You want the hook this way or that way? This is on you. Do you want the hook that way?
It don't matter.
Yeah, that's good.
Good. You want it this way because if they had it hooked the other way, that means you go the other way. Just so you know when you're on the trail.
Pay attention to that hook.
Right? You don't want to have your wrong hook
No,
out.
let it go all the way up and then
Oh, it goes in there?
forward.
Oh, okay, ready?
Now turn it. Yeah, like that.
Right. Right. Oh, look.
Yeah,
Fancy.
call it good. So
Fancy.
it's hidden.
So now, do you know why
Now.
we did this? Changed out the nylon cable from the steel cable? Weight reduction.
Yeah, the synthetic rope is 3 pounds and the steel cable is about 8 to 10.
Right. So that compared with
So,
4 stickers, you'll be able
now
to beat
that
a
you-
Trackhawk.
got it in there.
All right. What are we doing now?
Now that you got it in there, you can find out that you should have put this in before.
Oh, the shimmy
No,
sham?
just kidding. There we go. And then the little Allen.
Right there.
Dun-dun.
And we're done.
I'm thinking I should bend these. Yeah.
Alright guys, thanks for watching. We'll talk at you next time when we do another install.
On Bootleg Garage.
The beard will be back.
Oh yeah.